There we go. There we go. Alright, y'all, let's go see what's going on. I just got to this crib. Let's see what the fuck going on with my bike, bro. CR. Yo, Cap. Yo, Cav.
Yo.
Yo.
What's up, man? Come on over. What's happening?
That's it, man.
I hear you.
Oh, you got hurt right here. Oh, Cat. What? So you got it running good?
Yeah, man. It had nothing to do with the carburetor.
Nah, I know you said it was the crank seals.
Yeah.
Damn, my bitch looking good. So everything's straight? No leaking, no oil, no nothing?
Nah. The only fucking thing is that, like when I took that, so when you fire the bike up, you know, just sit there and idle, run a minute. You know, blah, 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 you could fucking snap it. You know, it sounds like it's jetted awesome. The second you go to fucking ride it, and the fucking bike move, you know, the inertia moves, it will suck the fucking oil in. When I pulled that whole fucking right side case cover off,
Yeah.
dude, the fuck, I think I even took a picture of it. The fucking seal was just hanging.
Oh, it was hanging?
It was hanging. It wasn't even fucking in the crank.
What the f?
In the crankcase. It was just hanging there.
Oh,
so I took it all apart. I put a new seal in it. But when I put the new seal in, dude, it's almost like it's in. It's brand new. The old one was dry rotted and fell right out.
Yeah.
But I feel like it should go in tighter than what it was. You know what I'm saying? Like if that ever happens again, that bike bogs down, that's what it is. Bring it back over, dude. I'll put another one in there for free.
Okay.
You know, just fucking. The only way to correct that, like I tried finding an oversized, like 0.01 seal, but there's no way I can get the OD and the ID to seal the same size to fit that fucking crank.
Couldn't find an OEM one?
Yeah, no, that's the OEM
Oh,
one.
it is? And
I wanted one bigger.
Bigger, yeah,
You know what I mean? Just because I feel like it should have went in tighter. You know what I mean? I looked it up a few forums and guys had that problem over the years, but they said once they replaced the seal, it was fine.
Maybe after like heating up and shit, maybe it'll expand
if
or something.
If it heats up, it should get hotter.
It expand.
It should stay, it should stay there better. Exactly. You know what I mean? But no, if you want to rip it, man, go ahead.
Hell yeah! I want to try it. I want to try. How's the throttle response?
Oh no, dude, it's mint.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Turn around. God damn! I forgot how clean this bitch was. I ain't even gonna lie.
It is in good shape, man.
But I'm trying to keep this just like this, bro.
Everybody comes in here and sees it. It's like, damn, that thing's a good shape.
Yeah, this is. I'm telling you, it's an antique right here. I'm trying to keep her just like this. Damn, what the hell you doing with this? You got the whole thing took it
up. Full motor rebuild, you know.
Oh shit!
And I hate putting motors back in the bikes when the wiring's all dirty and shit. You know what I mean? Because then you know, and these 4-strokes too. I put the lower end in, and then I finish the top end while it's in the bike.
While it's on the bike,
easier.
That makes sense.
So then I don't want no shit falling in there. You know what I mean?
That makes sense.
Yeah, let me fire this thing on.
This thing, man. Go ahead, fire her up. See what she sounding like. You know what I'm saying?
Call you back in a minute.
It's that real sauce right here, though. Okay. Dog. Heard that little bog though. I'm a tester. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's how that bitch supposed to be running. You feel me? That's how that bitch supposed to be hitting. You heard me? Don't trip. I gotta test her out. Woo! Oh yeah, I gotta test her out. No cap. Got that money for that boy right here. That bitch was lifting up though. No cap. She sound good though. I ain't gonna lie. He opened her up. Good?